Hello kids, how was your weekend? Hope that everything went well. For today's activity, we will talk about shapes again. But this time, we are going to create shapes step by step. And for that, we will need paper, some glue, and toothpicks, precisely 13 of them. We start with the paper and on the top we write shapes. The shapes we are creating today are triangle, square, and rectangle. Let's start with the triangle. What is it? It's a shape with 3 sides, so we separate 3 toothpicks and start to glue it on the paper. I recommend you to create the shape first and then glue it, like this. That's our triangle. Now that we have done the triangle, we do the square. The shape has 4 sides and we separate 4 toothpicks. We place it on the paper and then we glue it just as we did before. Finally, we do the rectangle, and we use the remaining toothpicks. The rectangle also has 4 sides, however, they are not equal like the square. 2 sides are a little bit longer, and we create the shape like this. Can you see the difference between the square and the rectangle? See how it's done? Now it's your time to do it. Have fun, kids! Bye-bye!